Hey everybody, welcome to Options Inc. and Happy New Year. Welcome to 2023. Now, I don't know what 2022 has held for you, what your experiences were, but I hope it was one of growth and learning and discovering new things. As long as you're learning something, you are making great progress. Besides that, I wanted to make a quick video. I wasn't able to make the trade recap for the small account challenge on Friday. That was 2 days ago. So for the 30th of December. So let's jump right into it and see how the small account is holding up. Here we are. I made a very small trade in the later part of the hours. Now, if you remember from Thursday, the 29th, I had a huge red day on the account. And I also went over this in a previous video on the trade recap, so you can take a look over that. But this put our account down to $33. So it was really difficult to try and trade in the morning because contracts are more expensive. But later on, contracts were more affordable for a $33 account. And so I took a small trade around here. As you can see, the market was coming down. We had a nice downtrend, and I was looking for the break of this intraday support level. And as we were breaking this level, I saw that the tape was speeding up. I got in on the momentum of this candle right here, this 1 minute candle right here. You're looking at the 1 minute chart, and I was looking for this candle to go down to my zone right here, which it did. And I wrote it down for a little bit to the next candle, and then I closed out for a profit of $5.47. I'm still a little not fond of the fact that we're using market orders and the fact that we don't have market data because the account is not $500 account, so you can't subscribe to market data. So this $5 was actually around like $8, but because of market orders, I had to sell market and then price warrant updating live. Eventually I closed out and had some slippage and eventually got out with $5.47. But hey, that's still $5 more than we had in this morning, right? So hey, profit is profit. And that was pretty much it. Just one trade, especially because of what happened Thursday. I wanted to take this day seriously and light and not be caught up with emotions. I would say that obviously this was a better trade right here as it was coming down. But to be honest, this whole day I was thinking I shouldn't trade at all. But when I saw this whole move and then it was coming back down, I thought, okay, maybe like one small trade, as long as it's positive. And by this time, my psychology and mentality was a lot better. I wasn't thinking about the past or what happened yesterday. I think taking a break in the morning was very, very crucial and it was very beneficial. But then I came back and had a healthy $5 profit. That was it. And I'm glad I took that short scalp because look what happened after. Right before close, this thing rallied up. Now, after that first trade, I basically logged off. So all of this I did not even see until market close. But look at this. Came down to our zone. It's fighting between our lines of our zone. Tried to break out. Came back down. And then eventually started going back up. This is a really nice demand zone right here. The first move went down to our zone lower than that, but bounced up. End of day, look at this insane rally. Oh my goodness. This would have been a really nice trade, but wasn't here. And quite frankly, you know, as much as I would love to say, let's grab all these different moves on a $33 account, it takes one wrong move to truly put the account in a position where we can't even trade the contracts later part of the day, and those are the cheapest contracts. So taking it very defensive, seeing what the market holds going into New Year's, and besides that, it was a nice gain for the day. Let's see what 2023 holds for us. I am confident we're going to hit our target of $10,000 as long as I don't do anything stupid or don't let my emotions or psychology take hold. But hey, who knows? Maybe we burn this account tomorrow, right? So thanks for sticking by. Thanks for joining in on the video. I have a lot more content coming up for this new upcoming 2023 year. A lot to do with psychology, mentality, how to position trades, how to actually start trading and seeing all the issues and positives of trading with a $100 account on Interactive Brokers. As you can clearly tell, you know, lack of market orders can be very difficult. Buying and selling at market prices can be a little difficult, but honestly, I want to see if it's actually possible for somebody to bring up a $100 account on Interactive Brokers. And besides that, if you guys like this kind of content, subscribe and like the video. It helps out with the channel greatly and I really appreciate it. So take care and I hope you have a great New Year. And let's make 2023 even better than the previous year. Take care. Bye-bye.